welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. I want to cue this up just right. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, hey! That was pretty good, huh?
Yeah, that was great.
Hey, Boozhoo! And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and I guess you already said that, huh?
Yeah, but you can remind them.
Yeah. Let's see who's here. Hey, Boozhoo, Jessica Gonzalez. How you doing? Missy is here. Boozhoo, cuz. And yeah, let's get the show started. I'm out here, Agua Ching. I'm outside on this beautiful spring day. It almost looks like one of Michael's cartoons. So how you guys doing? It's another, what is it, Friday today? It must be, Nanabozhoo good. It is the 5th day. No, Missy, this doesn't mean a 5th of Jack Daniels. Missy thinks that it's the 5th day because it's the day you're supposed to guzzle a 5th of Jack Daniels for breakfast.
Does she really?
No, but that's the rumor I'm spreading.
Okay.
Let's see, Papa Wagosh is there, but Boozhoo, Papa Wagosh. How you doing? And today, in the Anishinaabe language, they call Friday the 5th day because it's the 5th day of the work week. Monday being the first day, Because back in the days of the grandfathers, we numbered out the work day, or the work week. Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to work week go. And once again, this week just flew by for me.
Yeah, me too. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. It's weird. How can the week go by so fast?
Maybe it's because we're getting old.
Yeah, that's probably it. When you're a little guy, and when you're only 6 years old, 6 months is, like 1/12 of your life. Is that right? Well, when you're 6 years old, 3 years is half your life. And when you're 54, 3 years is, you can't even do the math. The math is impossible. At least I can't. Okay, hey, Brandy Marie's here. We better straighten up. Brandy Marie's here, sweetie.
Hi, Brandy.
Natasha says good morning. On a Friday morning. When I was a younger man, the work day would just be starting. I would have driven into my job, either at a school, teaching the language to the children. That was one job I had. I've also worked in social services. I could always get those jobs. Oh, you're unemployed? Oh, you're unemployable? Well, here, come to our program. We'll teach you how to make a resume. And the guy would sit down. Like, okay, let me help you. I'm going to help you find a job. What are your skills? Well, I just got out of jail. That's not a skill, and let's not put that on a resume. So you make license plates? Okay, we'll write that down. What's your address? I've been sleeping under the bridge. Okay. That's First Street, right? And so I did that kind of work. I used to feed the homeless We worked at a place where we had a drop-in center, and you could come. We tried to find housing for the homeless, and what else? Oh, I was a print shop operator. Used to run a printing press. That's what I went to school for originally, huh, sweetie?
Yeah.
I learned how to be a press operator. This is how dumb I am. When I was like, so you're like 17, 18, and they're like, hey man, what are you going to do with your life? And I thought, well, you know what? I like cartoons. I want to be a graphic artist. I'm going to draw cartoons, man. What college should I go to? And somebody handed me this pamphlet. Look, man, here's a program for graphic arts. I was like, yeah, graphic arts. Where's that at? St. Cloud. Oh, the party town? Graphic arts in the party town? So I can study comic books and party. All right, sign me up. Got signed up, moved into a little dorm down there. Showed up on the first day, and I'm looking around going, what are these big machines? Oh, these are printing presses. Here you will learn how to run the printing press. You can print on envelopes, on cardstock, on 10-pound bond, on, hammer mill products. And I was like, does it matter if I know how to draw real well? And he's like, well, it can't hurt, I guess, but no, you don't need to know how to draw. I couldn't be bothered to look up what was graphic arts. I thought we'd be learning how to draw graphic novels. I thought it was a comic book school. But whatever. So I did the program, learned how to run these machines, and I kind of saved my life in a way. I always had a job, like in college. I was able to work in a print shop. And it taught me a lot about the printing process, If you're going to come up with a comic book, you got to know stuff like, well, how much is it going to cost? How many pages does it need to be? What's the best size? How much are the binding? A lot of decisions you got to make. That's why a lot of comic book artists draw in black and white. It's just so much cheaper. Well, anyway, speaking of comic books, here's a cartoon, our gibberish cartoon of the day on this NANABOOZHOO good on this Friday, on this Good Friday. NANABOOZHOO good. I mean, yeah, it's not that Good Friday, but aren't they all Good Fridays, sweetie?
They are to me.
Yeah, huh? So, boom. Oui, Misa Jidamo. Hurry up, Gray Squirrel. And Misa Jidamo says, Bika, wait. Hurry up, Way Weeb. Come on, hurry up. Bay, Way Weeb. Come on, hurry up. And then the little squirrel says, Bika, wait. Why don't you just wait? I'm just a little gray squirrel. He's just a little Misa Jidamo. I wonder which is faster. What do you think is faster, a squirrel or a butterfly?
Oh, good question. I've never seen a squirrel catch a butterfly.
Yeah. Yeah, if I was a squirrel, I'd be chasing butterflies. So you think a butterfly's faster?
I'm going to go with the butterfly.
Okay. There you go. Misa Jidamo. There are two types of squirrels in Minnesota. Misa Jidamo is a gray squirrel, and a Jidamo is a red squirrel. And I think the Ajidamos come from Europe, actually. I don't think we had red squirrels. I think they came over on the Mayflower. I was thinking the other day, wouldn't it be gross? I mean, it wouldn't be gross, but we tolerate these gray squirrels because they have the big fluffy tails. But imagine if they had a skinny long tail like a rat. And every time you left, you'd see a rat that size, you'd be like, ugh. It's probably like that in the cities.
Yeah, I know. I think that the rats are getting bigger, like in New York City and stuff. They're mutating. Rats the size of cats and cats the size and tens of thousands of peopleoids.
Oh, are you you're quoting Bowie. 10,000 peopleoids with cats, rats the size of cats and cats. Gnats the size of rats and rats the size of cats. And 10,000 peopleoids in a hunger city. We're living in the days of the 1984 album.
You think so?
Yep. 1984. Oh, gibberish. On sale now at Amazon.com. Have you ever found yourself wishing that you had wishing you had some way, cartoons in Ojibwe language with a big old alien on the cover? And you've thought to yourself, there has to be a better way. Well, now there is. Michael Lyons has a book of cartoons for sale on Amazon.com. Click the link below. All right. Enough of the commercial. Oh, gibberish. And we can get rid of that. Slide over here. Sometimes it snows in April. Sometimes I feel like Nanabozhoo good. And sometimes I wish that I could teleport back to the studio. I've been looking over here, sweetie, but I'm actually out Aguaching. Bleep. Sweetie, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine.
Would you mind teleporting me back home?
Sure, I'll teleport you back.
Thank you, dear.
Teleporting in 3, 2, 1. Where'd he go?
Thank you, sweetie.
Oh, welcome home.
Yeah. It's nice to hear about it. It's nice to be home and with the fire and with you and stuff. Because now we can talk about the Ojibwe language and culture. So what can we talk about today? I didn't plan much. Yesterday it was all talks about the flat earth and that. I actually changed the title too.
Did you really?
Yeah, I just want to see if YouTube cares. I don't think they care. Maybe that's the conspiracy. The real conspiracy is that YouTube plants conspiracies that they're censoring people and ideas. Because I keep hearing these stories about how you can't say certain words and how people have they've been canceled. I don't know. They've been doxxed. That there's like mobs of people who are outraged. But then in reality, nobody cares. You can say whatever you want. You know? I don't know. I mean, I don't want to offend anybody. But, if you watch YouTube, you think everybody's offended by everything. Hey, that cop just saved that little girl's life. Yeah, by killing another girl. What? How about that, huh? In current events, a police officer shoots a girl who was about to stab another girl. And the Black Lives Matter's like, hey, well done, you racist. So what? I don't know. Killed her. Yeah, but he saved a girl. It's tricky. They want to be mad. Well, he shouldn't have killed her. A black girl shouldn't be just gunned down for doing nothing except trying to kill another black girl. It's like, well, what do you want? Let's see what's going on down here. Remember this anti-monopoly message. If YouTube shuts you down, Rumble will welcome you. On Rumble, you can see a UK pub. Just scrolling through. You pub manager ejecting a pro-lockdown politician from his pub. Amen. Yeah, that is true. I should get on Rumble. I love watching those videos where like the pastor goes, "Hey, get out of here, Gestapo, and you're stupid." You know. But it makes you think, well, are there traveling bands of outrage mob that'll close you down for not wearing a mask in your house or something? Jessica says, I've caught both. A butterfly I could catch with my bare hands. Hey, cool. But not a squirrel. They're definitely faster. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. You can catch a butterfly, but good luck catching a squirrel. Without a BB gun. Daniel says, yesterday I had a good chat with my sister on my heavy heart day. Hey, Daniel, sorry to hear about your dad. I know that's tough. I've been sort of avoiding doing another show about grief because I always get so weepy myself. But we might have to. It's, I don't know. It's the price of love, man. And I don't say it lightly. It's a high price cost of loving somebody. It is the grief you will then carry afterwards. It comes with a price. And everybody said, well, yeah, I guess it's worth it. See, I don't want to start talking about it. I can't talk about it. It'll make me sad. Missy says, in time, Daniel, memories will not hurt. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we all know that. And yet, the problem is, Missy, there's also these little buttons. Somebody can bring up something and somebody will just say a name and you might go, I thought I was past that. It's like, no, you never really got past it. That's the problem with grief. It's not the problem. It's just the reality of life. Somebody dies, you never get over it. Yes, you do get over it. I mean, you don't cry around forever. You will be happy again. For sure. On every case. But then you also have this scar. This little scar there you can talk about. Papa Wagosh says, we have 3 types of squirrels. Gray, red, and black. Oh yeah, do we have black squirrels? Yeah, we have black. They're kind of rare. Yeah, what do we call them? Muckaday Ajitamu? Yeah, I would think so. Muckaday Ajitamu. We must call them Muckadays. Muckaday Ajitamus. Or we call them African American squirrels, actually. We're not racist here in northern Minnesota. We call them squirrels of color. They're the squirrels of brother. They're the squirrels who are the brothers. Jessica says, laugh. Well, for a cat, I guess it's harder to catch something that can fly. Yeah. They definitely can run fast as a squirrel, though. Sometimes I can't catch my cats and then climb up a tree. Cats are weird. They're deceptively athletic. You'll think your cat's almost like, disabled because they nap so much and just lie around. And Bagheera, he'll just flop on the ground like he's protesting a nonviolent protest. He'll just flop on the ground in front of my feet. Like, pick me up. Carry me around like a baby. And it's like carrying around a small, not even that small. It's like carrying around a kindergartner at this point. He's just big and lanky. And I'm like, this isn't nearly as cute as it was when you were a kitten. But he'll never want to move. And then, out of nowhere, he'll sprint across the entire house, length of the house in a second. Jump to the top of the refrigerator in one bound. I'm like, why do I have all these steps here for you to climb up? You can just jump. But, yeah. And cats are also kind of, they're never that tame. There's always still that sort of wild side that they have. You'll think your cat's all domesticated, and then you'll catch him torturing a mouse. And he's just like, there's no difference between your house cat and like some cat, like a tiger in the wild, stalking its prey. Its haunches are up. Starts making weird sounds because it's got the bloodlust. I'm gonna kill you. But then they don't kill him. They just swat him around, torture him, scare him. Hey, what's up, little mouse? Yeah, that's my job. I'm supposed to catch you and kill you, but I don't eat mice anymore. Now I just like to hunt them. But I don't want to catch you too fast. That's what they're thinking. I speak fluent cat. Meow. That means I'm hungry. Feed me.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
You got a phone call?
Oh, I do? All right, let's put him on the line. Line 2?
Yep, on line 2.
All right, caller, you're on the air.
Hey there, NANABOOZHOO.
Hey, Kermit. What's going on, brother?
Oh, I'm doing very well. Very well indeed, I guess.
Oh, that's good to hear. I worry about you.
Okay, well, if I'm being really honest, can I tell you something?
Yeah, of course. You're on live. Everyone's listening to this conversation.
I guess I just don't care anymore. She's out of control.
What do you talk about? Or what are you talking about?
It's Miss Piggy. I just can't do it anymore.
What do you mean you can't do it anymore? Is she hitting you again? Did she give you that backhand karate chop thing she always does? She goes, hi-ya! She's the worst, I'm telling you.
Yeah, she did. She got pretty drunk last night.
Yeah. Did you call the cops?
No, I can't.
Why?
Well, you know how that goes. They come and they see a person of color, and well, I'll be the one who ends up in jail.
Yeah, you probably would, huh? I didn't think about that. You are kind of the person of color between you and Miss Piggy. I mean, she's a pig, but you're actually green.
Yeah, that's right. So, I just don't know what to do.
All right, just settle down. Settle down, Kermit. Let's figure this out. All right, where is she right now?
Yeah, she's in the bedroom.
Yeah, is she up?
No, don't. No, she's still sleeping. She'll sleep until maybe noon.
Okay, here's what you do. Do you have any firearms?
Yeah, I have a Glock.
Okay, I want you to load that thing. And I want you to put it in the shoulder holster and just have it on you. And just in case anything goes wrong. No, I'm just kidding. Listen, dude, why don't you come stay with me and Natasha for a while?
Do you think I could?
Yeah. Hey, sweetie, can we put up, he's not real big. He can sleep on the front couch, can he?
Yeah, sure. Kermit, why don't you come stay with us? And we'll get you set up out in the living room.
Yeah. Come stay with us for a while. Just kind of sort yourself out. Don't wait for her to wake up. Just pack your things, get out. If you guys have been fighting and if she's been beating you up, it's probably a little raw. Now's not the time to be talking about anything. You don't have to put up with this, man. Abuse is abuse.
Yeah, I mean, she makes me feel like less of a man.
Well, to be fair, you are a frog.
Oh yeah. Hey, speaking of which, can I teach the Ojibwe word of the day?
You want to? Yeah, sure. Well, where did you want to teach, Kermit?
Well, I was thinking maybe Oma Kaki, frog, like me, because I'm Kermit Oma Kaki. I'm Kermit the Oma Kaki.
Oma Kaki, frog. Yeah, that's a good one. Kermit, we all love you. And we care about you. We're worried about you. So, I want you to take us up on the sover. Come on over. It'll be fun. You can bunk with us for a while. We'll figure out what you're going to do. And then we'll make a plan.
Okay, well, hey, NANABOOZHOO, I really appreciate that. You're a good friend.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess I'll go.
All right, Neej. What time do you think you'll be here?
Well, I'm on Sesame Street, so where's that? California?
Yeah, I don't know. Are you in California or in New York?
Well, whatever. I'm gonna have to. It's gonna take a while.
All right. Well, give me a call when you hit the road, and we'll make a plan.
Okay. Thanks, NANABOOZHOO.
Yeah, no problem, Niji. I'll talk to you later. GOFUNDME Nagash.
Yeah, GOFUNDME Minawa. Yay!
Oh, jeez. Poor old Kermit.
You know, I've never liked that Miss Piggy.
I know. That's not cool at all. I don't like Miss Piggy slapping him around. I don't care what he did.
Yeah, I know. It's not like he's cheating on her. What?
What?
Is Kermit cheating on Miss Piggy?
I didn't say anything.
I know, but you looked at me kind of weird.
What? I don't know.
What do you know?
I don't know anything. And if I did, I couldn't tell you.
What do you mean you couldn't tell me? You tell me everything.
Yeah, I know. All right. Yeah, he is. He totally is.
Who is he cheating with?
I can't say.
Who?
I can't think of another female character on the Muppets. With Marie, I guess.
With Marie? How old is she now?
70?
I can't believe it. Kermit's dating Marie. Well, I do believe it.
Yeah, I know. Back in the day, Marie was great looking.
I know, huh? Well, good for him. I hope he leaves Miss Piggy and then dates Marie.
Yeah, except Marie's married to a human being. She keeps kissing Kermit thinking that he's going to change into a prince, but he doesn't. What? All right, anyway. NANABOOZHOO good. It is the 5th day. And oh, what a day. Friday. I don't know. I just ran out of things to say.
Do you want to call somebody?
Yeah. Should we call Rocky?
Okay, let's call Rocky. Get him on the line. Do. It's ringing.
We're gonna call Sylvester Stallone. I need some encouragement, some inspiration.
Okay. Hello, Sylvester Stallone. Sly. Hi, this is Natasha. Yeah, from the Boozhoo NANABOOZHOO show. You want to be on the show this morning? Okay, hang on. All right, he's on line 2, sweetie.
Thanks. Line 2. Hey, yo, NANABOOZHOO, how's it going? Hey, Natasha. Who am I talking to? Hey, Sylvester Stallone, how are you? I'm doing really well, I can't complain. Just sitting here eating my oatmeal and my glass of eggs.
Oh, that's right. You love to drink the eggs.
Yeah, that's right. You gotta have a good breakfast every morning. If you want to be a champion, and if you want to feel like a champion, you've got to fuel like a champion. That's what I say.
If you want to feel like a champion, you got to fuel like a champion. Ah, that makes sense.
So what can I do for you this morning, NANABOOZHOO?
Oh, I don't know. I kind of whipped through the word of the day in the gibberish cartoon, and Kermit called, and he's going to leave Miss Piggy finally.
Hey, that's good, I never cared for that relationship.
Yeah, me too. We all kind of stood by and we just let Miss Piggy kind of wail on Kermit. I feel kind of guilty now.
Yeah, me too. How many times could have I stepped in there? I went toe-to-toe with Apollo. And when you fight Apollo Creed, you really got to train hard.
Yeah, I suppose you do.
And so, I guess if I could give Kermit one bit of advice.
Yeah, what would you tell Kermit?
Well, first of all, I'd tell him to drink a glass of eggs and go for a run.
Yeah.
And then, I would tell him, life isn't all sunshine and roses.
Oh, here we go.
It'll knock you down and keep you there if you let it.
Uh-huh.
And I don't care who you are, how tough or big you are, me or you, life's gonna hit harder than anything else. And you can't just go around blaming him or her because you're not where you want to be.
Why do we always get here?
'Cause that's loser talk. And that ain't you. You're better than that. Why do I call you? You know why I tell you this? Why? 'Cause that's how it is done. Yeah, okay, I gotta go. Yeah, okay, man. You call me anytime if you want some advice. Why? 'Cause that's how it is done. Yeah, okay, I gotta go. All right, GOFUNDME Minowa. Yeah, GOFUNDME Minowa Sly. It always comes to that.
I know, he seems to think that you would need that kind of advice.
Yeah. I mean, does he have any other advice? You know. It's that one speech from Rocky V or something that I never even saw. But you know who plays his son?
You mean Milo?
Yeah. That actor who played Rocky's son. Not the one where his actual son played his son. But when the good actor played him. His name is Milo Vitiligo or something. Vitiligo. I don't know what his last name is. Some Italian dude. And he's on that show, This Is Us. And it is the least masculine thing about me. In spite of my long hair and, feminine side. The most woman thing about me is that I like This Is Us.
I love This Is Us.
Well, yeah, but you're a chick. You're supposed to. But This Is Us, I've only seen the first 3 seasons, but it'll make you cry every time. I don't care. You gotta have a hard heart not to tear up over This Is Us. I tell you what. And but anyway, so that actor, he was also in a show called Heroes. And I was thinking about that show Heroes recently. There was a character. So Heroes was a show about superheroes. And all these regular people discover their superhero powers. And Milo, Sylvester Stallone's son, and the dad in This Is Us, he discovers that he has the power. He absorbs other people's powers. If he's near somebody, he can do their powers. So like his brother can fly. And if he's near his brother, he can fly. And there was this one artist. He was the coolest guy. He was a comic book artist and a painter. And he could only access his powers when he would shoot up with heroin. But then when Milo got near the drug addict... Oh, and that was the guy's power. He could paint the future. So like his eyes would turn white and he'd get into another state. And his superpower was painting. And sure enough, when Milo Vitimigilia... Thank you, Jessica. I still can't say it. Vitimigilia. When he get near him, he could paint. And like before he got the new superpower, he could only draw stick figures. And then when he absorbed that guy's superpowers, he could paint. Well, I'm not bragging here, but since the lockdown, the COVID, whatever, that's when I started playing piano. It's been about a year. I've always had a piano back here, and I could play, chopsticks and one song, kinda. Not really. I could play one, I didn't know any chords or anything. But I've just been goofing off every morning. Just, you got a little cup of coffee and I'm standing around and you start playing. And I thought, well, I'll use this time to, I don't know. It wasn't working. I used to always say, hey, you know what? If I didn't have a job, I'd learn the piano. I'd get into shape or something. Well, I didn't get into shape, I tell you that much. But this morning, I'm just rocking the piano. And like a real piano player. And I don't know what I'm doing. I think I know what the chords are. But you can. We should do a show for the kids where I just teach them how to play piano. So here's how to play the piano for guitar players. It is kind of there's a reason why, like even Tommy Lee, the big encore of a Motley Crue show. Tommy Lee gets off the old drum set. Tommy Lee, domestic abuse. Talk about a domestic abuse enthusiast. Tommy Lee's beaten up more people than, more women than Miss Piggy. But so Tommy Lee gets off his drums set, goes over to the grand piano and starts playing I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Starts playing Home Sweet Home on the piano. Do 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 do. And you realize, wait, piano's not that hard. I mean, you have to be kind of coordinated. But a drunk drummer who beats up his mom, or his mom, he probably beat up his mom too, who beats up Pamela Anderson, can play a beautiful piano riff like that. And in the last 12 months, I've learned, oh yeah, I can kind of play like that now. You know, these rock stars are just tickling the ivories. So, if you ever wondered, oh, I wish I could be a piano player. Now, guitar is hard. I'll give you that much. If you want to be a guitar player, take some time. Learn how to play. So you want to be a rock and roll star. Guitar is going to mess up your fingers, and it's going to be a long. After a year of wanting to be a guitar player, I could play like Satisfaction. Na 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 na. 3 notes is this whole song. Na 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 na. Can play it on 1 string. Na 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 na. Why are the Rolling Stones still alive? Na 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 na. I guess adrenochrome is a real thing. People that don't believe in vampires and adrenochrome, just take a look at Cher. Cher is, I think she's 114, and she looks 30. And people go, oh no, that's just good plastic surgery. I don't know if they make, maybe they do make, it's probably just a mask. What am I saying? Or she drinks the blood of the young to maintain her youthful appearance. I wonder, is plastic surgery really as good as we think, like some of these celebrities have? Or are they staying youthful and calling it plastic surgery, but they have another little trick called adrenochrome? Sweetie? Yeah? You got a phone call. Oh, really? Okay, put him on the line. Caller, you're on the air.
Hey, NANABOOZHOO, it's me. It's Michael.
Oh, hey, Michael Jackson. How you doing? Michael Jackson, sweetie.
Oh, hi, Michael. Hey, Natasha, how are you? I'm good.
What's going on, brother?
Well, I wanted to call in. I wanted to say that, I heard you were talking about plastic surgery.
Oh, yeah. I suppose you'd have something to say about this, huh?
Yeah, they're not really that good.
Really?
Yeah, no, I mean, everyone thinks they can stay young looking if they just get plastic surgery. But I'm here to tell you, brother, don't do it.
You don't think people should get plastic surgery?
No, trust me. You keep chiseling away at your nose, and eventually it's just going to fall right off.
Is that really what happened?
Yeah, my nose, they kept on chipping away, and pretty soon I had nothing but a hole there.
You had a hole in your face. That sucks.
I know. I mean, it's my own fault, I guess. I was so stupid. What was I thinking? Hee-hee!
Yeah, I know. What were you thinking?
Well, I don't know. I wanted to be pretty. I wanted to be young. Silly. I wanted to be young.
Yeah, but it didn't really work, did it?
No, I just ended up kind of looking like a puppet.
Yeah. I know. I heard you didn't have a belly button.
No, that's ignorant. I had a belly button. I just had it filled in with plastic.
You filled in your belly button?
No, I didn't fill in my button.
Come on!
Yeah, I know.
So your advice is don't do the The plastic surgery?
No, that's ignorant. You should just accept your natural aging the way it is.
Yeah. You hear that, kids? Michael Jackson says don't get plastic surgery. You should accept yourself for the age you are and just age gracefully. Huh, Michael?
Yeah, man, it's ignorant to do otherwise.
Yeah. So what else is going on in your life?
Well, I don't know. I was wondering if I could teach the OJIBWE word of the day.
Well, we already have one. It's NANABOOZHOO good. The 5th day.
NANABOOZHOO good. The 5th day. The 5th day. I like that.
Yeah. It's a Ojibwe word for Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. You're on a lot of medication, aren't you?
Yeah, well, you know, it also hurts. That's the thing nobody ever wants to talk about with plastic surgery.
Yeah, what's that?
Well, you know, I mean, it's still surgery. You're going to be cut open. It's going to hurt your face. My face is in pain all the time. That's why I got to take these pills.
You take pills for the pain?
Yeah, I take pills for the pain. I take pills to take away the sadness.
Yeah. You've had a pretty sad life, haven't you, Michael?
You know, it hasn't all been, you know, off the wall.
Yeah. All right, well, look, man, I better get going.
All right. Well, hey, you know, yeah, don't get plastic surgery.
Okay. I'll see you later. GOFUNDME, Minoa.
Okay, GOFUNDME.
Sweetie, you think you'll ever get plastic surgery?
Not anymore. I thought about it once.
Yeah?
Yeah, I thought, why don't I get a nose job?
Really? What kind of nose would you get?
I want to get like an elephant's trunk.
An elephant's trunk?
Yeah, because then I could pick up peanuts with it and shovel the peanuts right into my mouth.
You know what? That's not such a dumb idea. I think you look cute with an elephant trunk. We'll have to look into that.
No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I know. All right. You want to get up here?
Sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to let Natasha get up here and say hello. But to make the transition, sweetie, could you do me a big favor?
I'd be happy to.
Would you mind teleporting me into the kitchen, and I'll make some coffee. And we did get the cookies yesterday. I don't care. Yeah, I know I'm getting a dad body. Just shut up. They're delicious. You know, you can't see me from the, chest down. What do you care if I have a dad body? I don't know what the big thing is. I'm going to eat the cookies, and I'm going to try to walk a little more. Maybe I'll burn off just leave me alone. Quit body shaming me, you guys. Nah, just kidding. All right. Hey, thank you for listening. Miigwech, biz and dawi egg on this NANABOOZHOO good. All right, sweetie. Will you teleport me away?
Okay, teleporting away.
See you later. GOFUNDME, Minoa.
In 3, 2, 1. Whoops. How did I do that? Okay, well, he's gone now. All right, everybody. Well, I'm going to come over and say hello. But oh, you know what we should do? This is the intro song. And so while I'm walking over there, check this out. right. Okay, let's get rid of that. Boozhoo. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Natasha Nandisha Cause. My name is Natasha. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. Weesanie is here. Boozhoo, Weesanie. One pill makes you larger, and one pill makes you smaller. And the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. That's from Jefferson Starship.
I think you mean Jefferson Airplane.
Oh, I guess I teleported you over there.
Yep.
Oh, never mind. Never mind, you people, what we're doing here. Yes, our special effects are lame. JP says, everything we are told, try to think of the exact opposite extreme. Consider that. All right. What is the exact opposite extreme of something we're told? We are told to eat vegetables. Actually, we're not told. We're told to drink Pepsi. Drink Coke. But just do the exact opposite. It is kind of the opposite days, though. Like, remember in the old days when they were just givens? You know? Like, I don't want to get into politics, but, you know, like everything in the old days was bad is good, and everything was good is bad. Oh, the police are killing people. It's like, wait, no, please stop killers. Nope. Police are the bad guys. The Joker is the good guy. You know, the Batman kills people. Superman kills people. You know, men make better women than women. Bruce Jenner gets to be Woman of the Year. Even as a woman, men are better at being women than women. That's what transgenderism teaches us. There was a news story yesterday. I thought this was kind of cute. It's kind of a local news out of Grand Forks called iNews or something. They'll do little spots. And this kid gets up there and he's just mad. And he goes, the governor has just vetoed a bill being anti-science. The governor vetoed that the bill would allow the government to mandate mask wearing outside, to make it a law. He vetoed that. He said, nope, government can't make people wear masks. And he also, in an extreme move of trans intolerance or whatever, banned the law that said, vetoed the law that would allow transgender children to participate in sports. With the exception of biological girls can still play boys' sports. But transgender athletes are banned from participating. And the guy was really mad. And then you go, wait a second. Oh, yeah, good. Good on you, governor of North Dakota, whoever you are. He just banned that they can't just bring in martial law and make it impossible to resist wearing a mask. And he also said, no, you boys, just because you dress up as a girl, you can't compete with the girls. It's not fair. It's stupid. Because in every case, the boys totally dominate. Remember the transgender boys. And I was like, oh yeah, good. But why is this kid so mad? You know, he's not working for CNN. But I don't know, I was for once like, good. No, it's not intolerant of transgender people. You know, letting them into the girls' locker room is intolerant of girls. Right to privacy. That's how I see it. You know? Everybody gets so bent out of shape wanting to be inclusive that they forget to include, you know, the normies. Don't say normies. That's intolerant. Sunny day. Cancel water. No more water. I'm going to start protesting water pipelines. Protect Mother Earth from your dirty water pipelines. No more city water. It's environmentally not friendly. I would like to say no more fluoride. I think that's made us all dumb. But what else is going here? Jessica says, maybe that's proof that he didn't actually hurt kids. He refused. Adrenochrome was just got weird looking instead. Oh, for Michael, yeah. Maybe he didn't actually kill the children he sexually abused. See, he wasn't that bad. Come on, leave him alone. Michael Jackson is someone who could have probably used some adrenochrome, to be honest. Yeah. Instead of just keep getting stranger and stranger. Yeah. There's some videos out there of Kamala Harris, like, where it looks like she's wearing a full mask that goes down to her neck, but the neck part is getting loose. And you go, what is going on with her neck? Is she wearing a mask? And you go, are all those guys wearing masks? Because remember those Michael Jackson videos, by the way? Where he gets the big plastic surgery, where he's dressed up as a white, fat guy. And, you know, even that Professor Dudley, that movie, the Crazy Professor, or whatever, they can make masks now that look exactly like people. So maybe Joe Biden and Kamala Harris and Michael Jackson, maybe these are just people in masks. And the whole thing is just some crazy reality show stunt on TV. You know, there could have been dozens of Michael Jacksons for us, well, as far as we know. It'd be like Santa Claus in the mall. It's like, what do you mean Santa Claus isn't real? I saw him. I was at the mall. You know, you're going to tell me he doesn't really live on the North Pole? Well, my grandpa actually worked on a sled that was supposed to be used for Santa flying around the flat plane. You saying my grandpa's a liar? I'm lumping in a couple of different conspiracies. Part of the moon landing thing is that everybody has a relative who had something to do with it. You know, yes, they did employ thousands of people. You know, yes, your grandpa really did build the lunar rover, or at least, you know, outfitted that Jeep. But it doesn't mean they flew it to the moon and drove around. You know. But I don't think they're ever just going to come out and say, okay, yeah, you guys got us. It's pretty obvious we can't go on with this dumb lie. Yeah, the baby boomers are totally brainwashed. We could even tell them we faked it and they still wouldn't believe us. But to the millennial Z, or the Generation Z and the millennials, and this computer generation, everybody born into computers is now too sophisticated to believe the videos from the moon landing. They go, well, that's obviously guys on strings. Yeah, we know about green screen. Yeah, we saw the Avengers. They can do anything. That's not proof. That's why they don't show that stuff very often. You would think if NASA was real, they'd have like a NASA TV show where every week they'd say, oh, here's another accomplishment we've done in the past. But they don't want people looking at those old videos. They don't want to show the video of President Nixon in the Oval Office. I was thinking about this.
What?
You know, when the astronauts called Nixon from the moon?
Yeah.
Well, presumably they didn't call direct. They would have had to radio ground control, and then ground control would have put their radio receiver up onto a phone that would then call the White House.
Oh, yeah, I suppose.
Yeah, so it was a walkie-talkie into a phone, and they called Nixon, and like, hey, we're on the moon, look at us. Thanks for all the millions and millions of dollars. Hail Satan, and then hung up. That's NASA. Oh, and how about this? I didn't get any pictures. Remember when they said the space shuttle blew up? I mean, the space shuttle blew up. But, none of those people who were supposed to be on the space shuttle died. There's photos. They're all still alive. They got jobs. Half of them have the same names. Some of them, their names are a little bit different. But anyway, you can look that up. The Space Shuttle Challenger people didn't die. But when it blew up, it created this kind of fork, like it blew up into two directions. There was like that cloud, and it looked like a letter Y. And then you go, oh, you know what that was? They created the NASA forked tongue logo. It was a big blowing up the space shuttle. They had to give a reason not to keep faking that obvious helium balloon they used to shoot up called Space Shuttle Challenger. So they did a big fake ritual on TV and blew up a balloon. And, but then created that symbol of the forked tongue, which is also the NASA symbol. They have that red thing. I should pull up some pictures tomorrow. If we care to talk about NASA more, which I don't. Just begging to be kicked off YouTube. Grab yourself an ice cold Pepsi. Pepsi. Oh, cancer water. I think he said cancel water. Pro golfer Greg Norman looks suspiciously fit for his age. Can he call in? Maybe we might have to get pro golfer Greg Norman in here. If he's too young looking, he could be on the Adrenochrome. I think Johnny Depp is. Because when the first lockdown happened, the theory was that there was a tainted, that they make, or they bottle the adrenochrome in Wuhan, China or something. There's some connection. And we all thought, oh yeah, they're going to uncover the secret society. But all these celebrities started coming out looking just deathly ill and way older than usual. And Johnny Depp was one of them. And they were like, what happened to you, Johnny Depp? Because, I'm shooting a role of a guy dying, rapidly aging from not having his, fountain of youth blood. And like Kathy Griffin was another one of those. Tom Hanks, I don't know. Daniel Black says, gotta go, school run, have a fab day, you people you people, and a kiss. Mwah! See you later, Daniel. Have a good day. You think Daniel Black's on adrenochrome?
Oh, I'm sure of it. That guy's really youthful looking.
Yeah, suspiciously youthful looking. I don't know. But sometimes, you know what I've learned?
What's that?
You just gotta wait. Or, weeb, hurry up. Hurry up and wait. That's what I say. Why don't y'all just hurry up and wait? Weeb. Picka. Just trying to make it look fancy. Hurry up. Wait, picka. Hurry up. Sometimes it snows in April. Sometimes I feel. All right. Well, you guys, I think that's all I have to say for today. You got anything you want to add here, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay. All right, you guys. Just want to say, miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And thank you for watching. Miigwech ganawabieg. Boozhoo, NANABOOZHOO. A podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Boozhoo.
Over here, we got Michael.
Hello, everybody.
And if you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. If you'd like to see if you want us to cover anything, a certain subject or a word, leave a comment. And yeah, and all that. All right. I will see you again. Oh, let's turn on the outgoing song. I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minowa. Hoa. Sweetie, you want to teleport me away?
You got it.
GOFUNDME.